Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this extraordinary flower designing embellished with the pearls and the beads, and is designed with the kundan work, which will really give eye blasting motif designing. So without wasting much time, let's quickly start with this designing. We need to give the circle markings with maintaining equal distance, and on that I'd be applying the glue to stick green color small size kundan of circular shape. Now this will be highlighted using antique bronze Zardosi, which I cut in 1 cm length, that I'd be inserting and giving couple of stitches to stay in place. Now all around this I'd be working with sugar bead and also with the pearl, both at a time inserting. We need to create the flower shape all around this Zardosi string. The pearls with the kundans, which will really enhances your beauty because these are richly designed with an embellishing pattern, isn't it? So around 10 to 12 we have to insert at a time the sugar bead followed with the pearl to create the flower shape. This I'll do with all 3 of the circles which I have created, and these materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can also check it. These designs you can surely try it for your old blouses because the bunches which will create and enhances your beauty. And these patterns can also be created with less time, less efforts and less spending on these materials. Once the bunch of flowers is created, this is how it looks. Now on these 3 corners I'd be applying again the glue line, and on these lines I'd be sticking red color leaf shaped kundans, which is of very small size. These can be customized as per your requirement because the materials can be either increase the size or decrease the size as per your requirement. Here I'd be giving the texture like creating the pattern of bunches, and I want to maintain this with the minimal size. These can be customized as per your requirement, and these kundans will also be highlighted. Here I'll be working with normal Zardosi string of bronze color only, just inserting in the needle at this tip. I'll be giving the stitch so that it will be in place, and here I'll be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle for the complete stitching. Those who don't know working with an RE needle also can work with normal stitching needle, and if you know working with an RE needle, follow these instructions. Instead of normal needle, you can also work with an RE needle using the size of 14.5, the crochet needle or normal RE needle. So now I'm almost at the end of this design. Finally I'll be working with this Zardosi string at this end. Once the design of the bunch is done, this is how it looks. The complete blouse in the saree. Here I worked on the linen saree. This is how it looks, and really friends, this will look so simple, but once you wear it, the richness and the beauty will enhance. So friends, that's all for now. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles. May be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.